the ch sound in chin. Pronunciation Activation Pack 26. Chin, ch. In this pronunciation activation pack, we'll be looking at the consonant sound ch. We'll look at the letter combinations that give the ch sound. We'll look at lots of words which have the ch sound in them. Finally, we'll activate your ability to hear and produce the ch sound correctly. Affricates. The ch sound is an unvoiced post-alveolar affricate made by blocking the airflow with the tip of the tongue behind the alveolar ridge, with the front of the tongue bunched up towards the palate. The air is released over the sharp end of the teeth to cause high-frequency turbulence. The ch sound on the chart is shown in blue, which means that it's unvoiced. Letter combinations for ch. The consonant sound ch has the following letter combinations: ch, tch, ti, and tu, and rarely teo and c. Practice. I have a question about the chain you fetched. Practice. Righteous Charles chose a choice chunk of cheddar cheese. Practice. The latch on my watch chain from China is scratched. Practice. The furniture of choice to play a cello is a chair. Problems for students. One of the biggest problems posed by the ch sound is when it's contrasted with the sh sound, and particularly when either sound comes at the beginning of words. Words which begin with ch or sh are a particular problem. In this pronunciation activation pack, we'll be looking at a set of minimal pairs which differ only in the sounds ch or sh. Resources and activators. As with all my English activation packs, this activation pack has valuable resources to help you activate the language in this lesson. Download the resources from the link at the top left. You'll also find the activators at the end of the pack. These will give you plenty of exercises to help you make the language in this lesson part of your active vocabulary. Free English material. Are you a Britlisher yet? These lucky people are. They're all learning the ton of free English language learning material they got when they became a Britlisher at Britlish.com. Get your free welcome pack today at Britlish.com.